talking about is making a comparison between the complexity of Web3 today and then how Web3 should be if you really want to have mainstream adoptance. So not only by specific use cases like gaming, because of course, gaming, you see a lot of gamers migrating to Web3 and understanding Web3, but I'm talking about like every digital active person having a wallet and having its own like digital identity.
Yeah, welcome back everybody. I'm here with Tech Circus. My name is Mahan. I'm the content creator. I'm here with Jan Ketelers from Venly. So welcome, Jan.
Hi Mahan. Thanks for having me.
So first of all, I suppose to start, to give people kind of an idea, how would you describe what Venly does, what the project is?
Yeah, sure. So Venly is a blockchain technology provider, was founded a few years ago. We have three main products, which we help blockchain projects with and blockchain companies. One of them is the wallet services. Like for the sandbox, we handle all the wallet creations for their users. A lot of other blockchain games or blockchain projects use our wallet services. The second product that we have is an NFT marketplace. So we were with Venly Market, the first blockchain agnostic NFT marketplace, and we currently allow users to trade NFTs on Polygon, Avalanche, Hedera, and Binance Smart Chain. Soon other blockchains will join as well. And then the third one is our set of blockchain or NFT tools. And NFT tools could be like our Shopify integration, the Unity plugin that we have, minting APIs, NFT analytic APIs, stuff like this.
Yeah, I'd heard about the collaboration between Venly and Shopify, which I think is so interesting because one of the big obstacles for Web3 that I see a lot of the time is the kind of user experience and people kind of onboarding from the Web2 world. Is that something Venly is kind of working on? Would you consider that to be kind of a part of your mission?
That is our core mission, to help bridge those users from Web2 to Web3. I think how we want to position Venly is being the bridge between the mainstream users and Web3 functionalities. Often we see tools like MetaMask and OpenSea and all the Web3 and the DAO and the platforms and DeFi being a little bit too complicated for mainstream users. So they're great for crypto savvy people or tech savvy people even. MetaMask is a great product. But with Venly, we want to onboard the masses, and with Venly Wallet, for instance, you are not you don't have to keep your private keys or seed phrase written on a piece of paper hidden somewhere in your house. It's just much more simple. You just log in with you just log in with your email address or your social accounts, and then you have a PIN code to sign transactions, and then Venly will take care of everything on the site.
That's amazing, because one of the goals when I was having a look at the website was that to bring the blockchain into the mainstream. And I kind of, on the same topic of the user experience and the blockchain, of how do you see that looking? Because it's very easy to, we understand what Web 2 is and everybody's kind of familiar with that, but the mainstream Web 3 is something that I think is emerging, and Venly seems to be kind of like working at the edge of that. So I wonder how you see that coming about.
Mainstream Web3 will be where platforms will require users not to have an account, but logging in with a wallet and with their digital keys. So this is definitely something that Venly is pushing towards, not only with our wallet services, but also with the NFT marketplace. Our marketplace is also built for mainstream users to be able to trade NFTs without the complexity of having an external wallet, Chrome extension, and then signing transaction on Ethereum that cost you hundreds of dollars, and then following up on the transactions and losing those NFTs, etc. So there again, the NFT marketplace or our marketplace makes it possible for mainstream gamers to trade game NFTs on more affordable, or I would say scalable blockchains like Polygon and Avalanche, etc. So yeah, and then with the Shopify, because you mentioned Shopify as well, we believe that today's big Web2 e-commerce platforms will also enable more and more Web3. And with Shopify, they have the vision that NFT commerce will be a big part of e-commerce in the coming years. And now we want to make it accessible for today's merchants that already have a web shop, to also sell NFTs via the tools and the way they understand and they know that works.
Yeah, it's a very significant role in Web3, really, and it's something at the upcoming Web3 conference, I think, because with Tech Circus, we do a lot of events for Web2 people in UX and product design, and bringing together those two worlds of people like working at the forefront of Web3 and making it more accessible for kind of mainstream people. And what is it that you're speaking about yourself, Jan, at the upcoming conference? And what message would you like people to leave with about Web3?
Yeah, what we're going to be talking about is making a comparison between the complexity of Web3 today, and then how Web3 should be if you really want to have mainstream adoptance. So not only by specific use cases like gaming, because of course, gaming, you see a lot of gamers migrating to Web3 and understanding Web3, but I'm talking about like every digital active person having a wallet and having its own like digital identity. So we'll be talking about this and also talking about those specific use cases that we can see with Web3. Like it's creating DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, but also the tokenized economies, other models, art models, NFT communities, and stuff like this that is only possible thanks to Web3 and the blockchain technology.
And what message would you like to give people about Web3? I mean, and what would you like them to say, you know, to kind of to think about, I suppose, or to get involved in?
Well, Twitter is a great platform for people that are interested in Web3 and cryptocurrency in general. So I would advise to definitely follow like smart people on Twitter and see and fall in that rabbit hole and then see some cases. And then from there, also for people that are new to Web3, definitely, test stuff, buy some ETH and join DAO, buy an NFT, join Discord community with an NFT, see how you can learn from that project, see how you can also trade and sell some stuff on the blockchain, just experiment with it. So that's definitely something that I would advise. And then, of course, also be aware of the, I would say the bad side of Web3 more. There are a lot of hackers and bad projects or scam projects. So it's really important to stress out the fact that you should do research about it, follow good projects, and then if you test or if you insure, just go with super small amounts or on testnet just to experiment with Web3.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Jan, and really looking forward to your talk at the upcoming conference. So we'll see you there.